What's up, everybody? Today we're working on the turbo car again. Got a box from MPC Motorsports and got a new radiator cap also. The old one's a little messed up. Everything come in a doozy. vtec solenoid cover. And there's the bumper quick release. And this one's the distributor. Alright, went ahead and threw that thing on there. So we'll go ahead and throw the distributor bolts in. Alright, got this thing pulled off here and pulled the old O-ring off. And then I've got them right here. There's the old one. You can see it's kind of like flat on the outside edge there. And then the new one is still round. So throw that on there and then put these little bolts in the cap here. And then we'll throw the distributor back on the car. Went ahead and got this thing pulled off and ready to get cleaned up. And it turns out that that gasket was junk also. So luckily I had another one. Went ahead and threw a new one in there. But go ahead and throw some degreaser on this and get it cleaned up. And then get this put back together, and then we'll do the bumper quick release. Got the little cap bolts in, and while I was here I actually found another problem right here. That radiator hose was about to bust. Had to cut this off of it. You see, that was just a problem waiting to happen right there. So now that we got that problem fixed, oh yeah, I rerouted the vacuum line for the wastegate also, instead of running through here. Comes down back over here now. But got those knocked out, so get back on this and throw this distributor in there. Alright, all this back together. So we'll get on the quick release right now. Alright, got this all taped up and got some little marks where I need to drill at. So I guess to make it a little bit easier to get to that, I'm gonna jack the front end of the car up, and then we will throw these on here. So it's just drop the bolt through, and then you got a washer, and then a lock nut. Go ahead and throw those on there and see if I got these holes marked out right. Alright, got that on there. Probably could have spaced them out a little bit further and let it pull a little bit closer, but it ended up where it did. So go ahead and knock out the other side real quick and finish this up. Alright, second side went a lot faster, but I guess that's gonna be about all for this one. It's a couple little things here and there. So I don't really have anything planned for this, just little things here and there like today. If there's anything in particular y'all want to see, just let me know. But thanks for watching. We'll see you next week for another one. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Peace.